ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hai kini ke number harum. Haduk ke Posh Po ar po minute ukertong ke VPP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Singkon udang tam ke masyilak tam yekiwe pat pikertong. Haduk ke Singapore Dr. Ricky uyo shilak hanya pusan hajar ndrus pa ashpovon. Ukertong buan ba arpan Uma Vincent H. Pala janga seng Kongres uyo ndru pu araja pras pa at wavon. Kakertong ke seng NPP ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo ke yo san punya wajar san spa san povon. Ukertong ke UDP baru bet Jun Kharjarin uyo khasaw hajar chispa prapun revon. Ukertong Shimen u Profesor Lakon Kema uyo andre wajar arspa ka kandai vot. Uba Peter Chalam uyo araja laispa kandai busan vot. Kat ba unotapan uyo hadu lai hajar sahu pravon. Kini kalong gajing Kenya hadu kapwa shipo arpo minute menta ka step jang ka saw trip ujiliw araja arpo saw.
Kajing ihit kari kawai, bat kajing tang, kajing angut, kajing patba, ubah la badong, ubah nya, ubah khaj, ubah jelab, ya ke politics, keba ya ke sinsyari, ke kisnam apa. Well, I believe that people, they get fed up with the kind of politics that we've had in our state for quite some time now, and people want change, and they see in us that we are a party with a difference, like you been saying, and so this is the result, I believe, of the longing of the people. So we look forward for to fulfill the dreams and aspiration of the people for the change which they have been looking forward to.
Doctor, you're leading by a huge margin. As of the latest trend, you're leading by a huge margin. So how do you give it?
Well, thank God for that news, and thank God for the support that people are giving us. And we look forward to still a long way. So we wait for the final result, and we will, I think, give a comment once the final results are out.
Was it expected? This kind
as a party, we do expect for a good result, and so the early trend, I believe, it goes in line with the thinking of the party. The factors also that has led people to put up their faith and trust in our party. Yes.